How to remove or block friends on Epic Games. If you want to remove someone from your Epic Games friends list or block them from sending you messages, invites, or friend requests, this video will show you how to do it. First, open the Epic Games launcher and sign into your account. Once it loads, click the Friends icon in the top right corner to open your social panel. Now, find the person you want to remove or block. If you have a long friends list, use the search bar to find them quickly. Click on their name to open their profile. Then click the three-dot menu or More Options. Here, you'll see options to remove friend or block. Choose Remove Friend if you only want to remove them from your friends list. If you don't want them to send you friend requests, messages, or invites, choose Block instead. After selecting an option, confirm your choice. Keep in mind that removing a friend doesn't block them, while blocking prevents further interaction. That's how you can remove or block someone on Epic Games and keep your friends list clean. If you find this video helpful, click like, subscribe, and share for more gaming tutorials.